Oh, what's going on, guys? So today, it's kind of a start of a crazy rush video, like always. So, streetcar takeovers tonight, and I was like, Christian, if you want to take the Porsche, let's swap the wheels on it and take it up there. Because we're meeting Vince in his new S4, and everybody's gonna be pulling up in their streetcars, so why not pull up in mine? But the thing is, I don't know if they work yet. I don't even know if I can run them. I don't even know, but I'm not gonna take it with stock wheels. That's lame. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna pull up in a freaking base model Porsche and show up with all the streetcars. And if they don't work, I'm gonna take the Subaru, and this will just be the streetcar takeover vlog. But if not, we're taking the Porsche, we're putting the wheels on it, we're releasing it at streetcar takeover. Why not, you know? The slowest car probably that's gonna be there. And yeah, see what we can get into tonight. Christian's coming over, meeting Vince at the event. And but yeah, tonight's the pre-meet at Twin Peaks. So I'm excited. I gotta get this car washed before Christian gets here, so we can swap the wheels, so everything else is clean when the new wheels come on. I did go ahead and get a torque wrench and a new set of sockets. So we're gonna be set to put these wheels on. Let's get to washing. Now I know that was just a hose, bucket, and mitt wash, but once I actually get the door and everything fixed, I'm gonna get it totally paint corrected, and it should be looking really good after that. But for right now, I don't really care as long as there's no dust on it. Alright guys, so I got the car pulled into the garage, waiting on Christian now. I'm about to go change, get ready for the night. Wheels should look good. Hopefully the spacers work. That's the way everybody else does it on Facebook with different wheels, so I'm hoping it transfers to these wheels, maybe, hopefully, and if not, we'll take the Subaru. But I'm gonna go get changed, go get ready. Christian's supposed to be here soon. Got everything set up, ready to be change these wheels out. See you guys when Christian gets here. Look who decided to finally show up. I swear I start a lot of videos of me just walking down my driveway to people that come over. I just don't go over to a lot of people's houses.
Are you coming to help me parallel park?
Hey, you coming to help me change a tire?
I think so.
I think so. I hope this works. Oh, you looking fly.
Just something slight. Something slight.
Sheesh.
You know how it is.
Got the media shirt on. Jeez, that horn's louder than freaking... Okay, wake up the neighborhood, don't you? Stop! Got her all washed up.
Oh, she's looking clean.
I got this wheel already loose because we're just gonna see if this one works. If the rear wheel doesn't fit, then we're just taking the Subaru. So we're good. That's how it's going down.
I hope they fit, bro. I'm trying to pull up to the meet in the Porsche, bro.
Dude, it's gonna look good if it pulls.
It's gonna look so good, dude.
Dude, I got the camera ready.
Yo, that's a nice camera you got there.
Dude,
it looks brand new.
Yeah, it's... If you guys didn't see Christian absolutely destroy my last vlog camera,
I'm not holding that camera for you.
You can change the tire. You can change the tire. I'll do this. But yeah, I think I might bring this tonight. The little rig, you know, just for the cineys for the vlog, you know. Nice. Have to do it. I ain't gonna bring the Ronin out, but
okay.
All right. Let's just see. I loosened these lug nuts already. But we have to call them lug bolts because we're gonna get roasted if we call them lug nuts because they're actual bolts. So I got extended bolts. Look.
They're bolt lugs.
Yeah. See, like. Yeah. So we just gotta see if they fit.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Sounds good.
And then I'll treat you with some steak afterwards.
Oh, you made me steak?
Yeah.
Dude, heck yeah. I'm starving, actually.
Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna see if this fits first, then we'll eat.
Okay, so keep working.
There she is. Look at that. So what I hit right there is right there. It rubs like this somewhere.
How big are the spacers?
All right. Oh, here we go. Look at this. You think it's gonna work?
That?
Yeah. I mean,
You think those are big enough?
I don't know.
I hope so, bro.
The other ones are on back order for like a year, so.
So these better work.
They better freaking work. Good.
Distracted. All these hoes blowing up my phone.
I can't get that on. They're hub centric, so they go on that broken one right there. Bruh.
Does it work?
It clears.
Does it clear?
It clears.
No way. Well, keep in mind the
It's not all, dude.
It's not all the way pressed.
Feet of room. Look,
oh, really?
Feel over here. Yeah, feel in here. Remember last time?
I can see it.
You remember last time you couldn't even reach back there?
Yeah.
Bro.
You think we're good?
I think so. But now the problem is, am I gonna scrub? You wanna see if these studs break or they actually work?
Let's see. Bro.
Dude.
It looks so good.
Dude, it's not even settled yet either.
It looks so good. Look at the clearance, bro.
Jeez.
That's pretty good.
Let's freaking go, dude.
That's so sick.
Dude, they look so good.
It looks so, dude, we gotta get the rest on.
So good.
Let's get the rest on.
Let's get the rest on, go eat, then we're headed to Streetcar Takeover. But we'll show you guys the car before we're done. All right, ladies and gents, last wheel is on. Just gotta tighten those lug nuts afterwards. Let's see you're lowering. Oh, Jesus. Dude.
It looks so good, bro.
Oh, dude. Oh, here we go.
God.
Jeez.
Come see from this side. This side. You got more room. Just like.
But the dent.
They can't. They don't. Don't worry about the dent.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
It's so good.
Oh, dude.
Dude, I think you nailed it on the fitment and like
the color.
just everything. Color. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I can't wait to see this.
It looks so good.
Heck yeah. Well, let's get this. Let me get the handprint off the thing and let's go get some food because I'm starving.
I'm starving.
All right, guys. Well, we just pulled out of the driveway. Initial review, they're riding pretty good. I'm kind of excited about it. Come to a complete stop because I'm a good neighborly human. Dude, the steering wheel for some reason feels so much more lighter. Much more lighter. I don't know how to grammar. But anyways, these things are great, man. I mean, I'm just turning the wheel like willy-nilly. These might be my new mountain wheels, so we're gonna see how the spacers hold up. Now, guys, I don't think I informed you, but hold up. I'm gonna have to shift a second. Give me 1 second. But we could not run the spacers on the front. Now, that's because of my turning. Like, it wouldn't turn full lock without rubbing really bad, so we didn't run them in the front. These, they ride pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it's honestly, I've ridden in your car once, and like, I can't tell a difference.
Yeah.
So,
If anything, it feels lighter. Like, I just feel like,
whoa, drifty.
oh. Yeah, we're gonna pull over before we get on the highway and check them, just to make sure one more time. Before we go.
Sign our death wish.
Yeah, for real. So, guys, we'll keep you posted, and we're gonna go get tacos for life because is that what the place is called?
I think so. I'm famished though, so
We're really hungry, so we're gonna.
I'm gonna get one of each.
Dude, they have some good styles. They have like
Really?
buffalo chicken tacos.
Okay, do
and
they have like fish tacos?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, okay.
They have really good fish tacos.
Because dude, fish tacos are the move.
We'll see you guys on the side of the highway probably. To check the wheels, not because it's gonna fall off. Not because it's gonna fall off. But yeah, so we'll see you in a second. All right, guys. So we just pulled over at this gas station, got all the wheels tightened down. None were too concerning at all. Just needed a little more. But look at this thing in the sunlight. Oh my God, looks so good. All right, guys, we're gonna head to Tacos for Life and then hit up Twin Peaks for Streetcar Takeover. Ooh, little Chevy SS. Jeez. All right, guys, we made it to Tacos for Life. I'm gonna eat for life, and we're gonna. Oh, little Volvo 242. It's coming out tonight. They're coming out.
Car meet community is showing up, bro.
Dude.
We've seen so many crazy cars, and we haven't even made it over that direction.
No,
yet.
we're literally just here for food.
here
We're
eating.
starving.
Oh
Dude,
my gosh,
look
dude.
at this thing.
Tonight's about to be crazy, bro.
Dude, so good.
Tonight's about to be crazy.
Oh, this thing looks fly. Let's go eat. All right, guys, we have finally made it to the. Oh, shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired,
Jeez. We're gonna walk around a little bit and find vents. It's gonna be a crazy night. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's.
I'm ready.
Okay, we gotta find some cool cars too. Obviously. Yo, there's so many people out here. Come over here. Ooh, that board's rolling in. Heck yeah. Vents, come here. Vents, are you vlogging? Are you vlogging?
Vlogging without the vlog.
You're right.
Not even in log.
Dude, who are we? Sony gang? Sony gang? Oh, I should have brought my S3. I feel out of it now. All right, hey, come here, Ricky, share. Hey, what up, boys? Hey! What's up? What's up?
What up?
Hold on, excuse me. Excuse
Can you
me.
hit it one more time?
Ricky! Ricky! I didn't hear it, Ricky. Where's it at?
Dude.
That's my boy! What's up, dude? How's it going?
All they focus on. They keep telling me to work less and party more. Ain't nothing coming out of my life being dirt poor. Cause I've been broke my whole life, ain't nothing come of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right, I fucking spin it. Drop 100 on some 4 and 6, they about to go and rent it.
Alright guys, we got the full camera crew out here. Got a focus puller, got my zoom guy, got my recorder.
Just tell me whenever I need to hit record.
Alright, we got full rig out.
We need it toe left.
Oh my gosh, y'all are goofballs. Bro, that's gonna be me. Oh, what the freak?
What happened?
I don't know. This is gonna be me one day, guys.